The new Microsoft Office system. Building on familiar tools, this new release is more integrated than Microsoft business tools of the past. It now includes servers, services, and desktop programs designed to work in concert and help to address a broader array of business challenges. Great integration. Streamline your workday. The streamlined Outlook bar gives you quick and easy access to all your favorite folders and your mailbox. And you have a direct link to multiple email accounts and services like Microsoft Hotmail. The newly designed inbox gives you more room to read email messages while still providing the information you need. Outlook 2003 is intelligent. It displays a message date on older messages and the time on newer messages. Outlook now has what amounts to caller ID for email. When you receive a new email, the desktop alert gives you a 2-line preview of what the email is about. You can click on the box to see the whole email, delete it, flag it for later, or simply choose to ignore it. Outlook 2003's slow modem support actually downloads titles only first, then allows the user to preview those titles and decide on their own whether they want to download the entire file later. Now Outlook will shield you from network conditions wherever you are. This new feature is called Cached Exchange Mode. What it means for you is that Outlook keeps working even when the network goes away. You can continue to work with your data while Outlook quietly continues to try to reconnect you in the background. Let's say you need to schedule a meeting with your project team. You can see everyone's calendar and schedule accordingly. In addition, you can use a side-by-side feature which allows you to compare different calendars assigned just to you, like your personal one with your business one. Because users often let messages pile up, inboxes can turn into gigantic to-do lists, which can be very frightening. Now you no longer have to keep everything in your inbox to remind you to take action. You can flag the item and go to follow-up search folders to find all your flagged items. While the Find option in Outlook is nothing new, it's now smarter in Outlook 2003. You can create search folders which are collections of email messages that meet whatever criteria you like. They help you keep track of key items whether you move them out of your inbox or not. Search folders are readily accessible from the Mail pane anytime you want. You can even take this new search folder and click and drag it into the Favorite Folders area for easy access. Not only does Outlook 2003 allow you to organize, it has broken ground with a totally new development in instant messaging. Here you can send a new email message to a sales representative named Brad Sutton. In doing so, you notice that Brad is online, so you go ahead and send him a quick message asking whether he could meet this evening before the seminar. Without waiting for a return email, you get an instant response. Great collaboration. Connect with others. Let's say you want input from different people on a product data sheet. First, lock down the document to make it read-only. Then give Brian Groth access exclusively to this section of the document. If you have Microsoft Windows Server 2003 and Microsoft Office SharePoint Portal Server 2003, there's a way to easily keep everyone in the loop of the most recent version of the document. When you make the document a live attachment, it creates a shared workspace where the latest version is always stored. That shared workspace synchronizes your document with the latest version, so you're never working on an out-of-date copy. If others are working at the same time in the shared workspace, you can instant message them, making collaboration even easier. Great utilization. Access information. Microsoft Office OneNote 2003 lets you type notes anywhere you want as you would with a pen and paper, so you can organize your notes visually. This white area is your page, and the tabs across the top represent separate sections. Within OneNote, you can have many sections open, and each section can have multiple pages, as indicated here by the strip of page tabs on the side. And you can easily move from one page to another just by clicking. When you take handwritten notes, you probably use an asterisk to mark important points. Well, you can do the same thing with note flags in OneNote, and you can personalize how those note flags work. This convenient summary pane makes it easy to see all of your flag notes in one place, and OneNote will hyperlink, so you can jump to them instantly. OneNote also works as a recording device if your laptop has a microphone. Just click record. The sound is captured and synchronized with your notes. Every note you type will have an audio speaker icon next to it. If you click on that icon, you will hear the audio from the exact moment that you took that note. Let's say you have notes from a class, and now you need to add research information. You can use the Side Note feature, and it's like slapping a sticky note on your screen that will never fall off. First, you launch a smaller window of OneNote called a side note that you can, in effect, pin to your desktop so it stays open on top of other programs. You can drag information from almost any source into your side note, and it's all there. Once you have all the content you need, select it in OneNote, copy and paste it into Word, and you can create that formal document easily and quickly. Great transformation. Make an impact. The new task panes allow you to work more efficiently. They provide a quick link to powerful tools for things like creating new documents, research, and help. You can see the task pane on the right side of the screen. Think of it as a portal that gives you instant access to the most relevant tasks based on what you're trying to do. Best of all, you can perform these tasks without ever having to leave your document to launch a new application. You can also make your research and reference pane more powerful by adding more resources to it. And there are task panes that make it easy to learn the software. The help pane is connected to the internet, so you always get up-to-date current information. And you don't have to rely on a CD like you did before. You know why a lot of published documents like newspapers and magazines have narrow columns? It's because research has shown that you read them more easily. Your eyes are better at tracking text when the lines are shorter. For instance, this Word document is shown in Reading View. It looks like an open book with narrower columns and larger, sharper text. You can see more text on the screen, and you don't have to do a lot of scrolling to find what you're looking for. Plus, it's easy to switch between the views if you want the original normal view. Discover your own great moments.